Hello, this is Ryan with the Linkasoarus training team. And in this video, we are going to cover digital communication boards and specifically how to read and have these installed in your individual locations to display current Google reviews and Google My Business stats for your entire team to see. We'll get in the second video here on exactly how to integrate this and have it displayed. But in this video, we are going to cover exactly what is displayed on these digital communication boards. Now, to get to these in your account, you're going to go over here to linked platform and then where it says communication board. Now, this would be after you've already gone through the setup process under locations and have connected your Google My Business location to this location. Once you do that, you're going to populate a URL that looks like this. Once that is created, this is what the page looks like. So in this example, we have an 8946 as the location number. Over here in the top left, this is your all-time Google review score. Shows you the number of reviews, in this example, 322. Your average Google star rating, which is 4.27. You have an average reply time of 179 days. Now, the reason this is high is because this location was active on Google and the reviews were not being replied to until it was connected to Linkasoarus when all historical reviews had been replied to. And so that's why this is skewed up to 179 days on average. We're going to give you some current stats. So this is helpful if you have new management, new ownership, or just you have some changes and you want to see how you're trending current to your all-time evaluation from your customers here. So we have last 7 days, last 30 days, and last 90 days. Here, for example, we have an average reply time of just 5 minutes on these two reviews with a 3-star average. We have last 30 days of 4 reviews now with 3 stars your average and another 5 minutes on average getting these replied to. And you have your last 90 days with now a total of 7 reviews, an average review of 3.71, and then an average reply time of just 3 minutes. You also have a daily average of the number of people that are viewing this particular location on Google every single day. This is based on the last 30-day average. Now, getting down into the specifics, we have over here on the left, we have things we need to improve. This is going to show your 1, 2, and 3-star reviews. It's also going to give you the date the review has been received. And if it's in red, that's letting you know how long this review has been received but has yet to be replied to. Down below here, we have 1 of 3. This is letting you know there are currently 3 reviews that are either a 1, 2, or 3 that have yet to be replied to, and this just happens to be 1 of those 3. Once all the reviews are replied to, this prompt will disappear. You have a reviewer's name and their feedback, and then these QR codes down here at the bottom allow any team member of the store to scan this QR code, which will take you to the Google My Business location that is publicly viewed. And you can sort by most current or the newest review to see this review live on Google. Here in the middle, we're showing all your 4 and 5-star reviews. If you see animation like this, this is going to be showing an animation for the first 24 hours after a new review has been received. This is just to help the team members of the store get a visual cue that something new is on the screen to come over and see what a customer has given in regards to a review. If the review time here, the reply time is green with no active countdown or count up, such as in the red here, this count is going up. This is fixed. Green is letting you know this review has been replied to. There is an audio notification also for new reviews. So within the first 60 minutes after a review has been received, no matter what time of day it is, when this screen populates, there will be an audio notification that sounds something like this.
Congrats, team! A customer just gave you a 5-star Google review. Keep up the great work!
And each star rating is going to be unique in regards to the audio notification. So if you received a 1-star notification over here, the audio notification will inform you that you have a 1-star review. Over here to the right, this is customers edited reviews. So at any time, if a customer goes and edits a historical review, so in this example, we have a 4-star, which is the original review of this particular customer. If they at any point in time change that star rating up or down, this is where all edited reviews will be displayed. This is a good team member feedback tool. So if by chance you have a customer that had a poor experience and gave you, let's just say, a 1 star, or even in this situation, this customer received a 4 star. So it wasn't exactly perfect, but something happened as far as the team member engaging with this particular customer to where they thought, they don't really deserve a 4, they deserve a 5. And this is just a great tool to let the team know that their hard work to either help or resolve a customer that maybe has a complaint had that resolved. On the flip side, let's just say a customer gave a 5-star review and it was edited down to 1 because of a poor experience. That's again alerting that this is not necessarily a new review, but it is a new edited review. And so that can aid in customer service as well. If you have any questions on anything on this screen or how the digital communication board reads the information, displays it, you can always reach out to a Linkasoarus team member using the help option at the bottom of your screen. And in the next video, we're going to share how to integrate this with one of our approved partners and have this displayed in any one of your locations. Thanks. And as always, link and soar with us.